Creating a brand new subject from scratch is so easy. My daughter Adria did it when she was 8 years old. True story. She built out a full process subject on how to take care of her pet hamster Snickers. If she can do it, you can too. Let me show you how. To create a brand new subject, we're going to click on the Create Subject button at the top of the page, right here. And then I've got to name this subject. So I'm going to call this Social Media Marketing. Next, I get to decide what type of training this is going to be. Is this more company information? Is it more policy driven? Or is it more process driven? In this case, it's definitely processes, so I'll go ahead and leave it right there. Next, I get to decide who the owner of the subject is going to be. Now, by default, that's going to be me, but I can absolutely select anybody else on my team to be the owner. Lastly, I get to choose when I want Trainual to remind me to go back in and make sure everything is up to date. So I'm going to go ahead and select yearly here. And then we'll click Create Subject. And that brings me to this page where I can basically choose my own adventure for how I'm going to start structuring this subject. I can start with a topic, I can start with a flow chart, I can start with a video, or even a test. I'm going to start by just simply outlining the subject with topics. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Topic. And I'm going to start with an overview topic. Okay, an overview topic. Next, we'll have a topic called Platforms. And next, we'll have a topic called Content Strategy. And I could keep right on going, right? So I'm going to outline the topics first. Then I'm going to come back and start outlining the steps that are going to go inside the topics. So I'll go right up here to my overview topic, and I'm going to put in welcome. There'll be a little welcome information there. And what is social media? Okay, there we go. And those will be a couple steps there I've outlined. Next, I've got platforms. So maybe put in Facebook and X and Instagram. Okay, now I've got a few there. But let's say I've gotten to this point now where I've started to outline my topics and my steps, and I know there's more there, but I'm just kind of stuck and I need a little bit of help. Can you help me outline here? Yes, absolutely. Trainual can do that. So I'll scroll back to the top. You'll see Smart Outline right here. And when I click on Smart Outline, what this is going to do, Trainual AI is going to look at the name of the subject. It's going to look at the topics and the steps that are in here already, and it's going to provide some additional suggestions for topics I might want to add to my subject. So for example, I'm looking through here and I see analytics and insights, and I don't have anything about that yet in my subject. Let's look at that a little bit further. So this is going to show me the steps that are going to be in this, and I can see data tracking tools, key performance indicators. That's awesome. What's in data tracking tools? Wow, it even gives me a little starter text for that step. And I'm like, yeah, that's exactly what I need. So I'm going to go ahead and check the box right here. Go ahead and hit add, and that new topic will now be added to my subject. There it is right there. And it's even added some cute little emojis for me. I'm all ready to go. And now I can go back in and start fleshing those out even further. I can keep right on outlining as well. Okay. Now, what I love about this as well, AI is great, and it's only as good as the information you put into it, right? So if I click right here, want more customized results, I am able to add in more details that the AI can then use to give me better and better options. I love this tool. It's a great time saver and will help you to outline that subject. And then once you're all done, all you got to do is hop into those steps and start fleshing them out with content.